How does your DNA or your genetics work if you're adopted or you are IVF'd? I'll say briefly that this is what I've seen in sessions. People who are adopted will take on the genes, meaning they've chosen that for location, family dynamics, that soul opted to evolve more efficiently with that type of genetic pooling from the family, regardless if it was an IVF or it was some type of sperm bank, etc. How those genes are expressed is what you have the possibility and opportunity to change or alter. I will also say this, kids who are adopted, invariably the genetic parents and the adopted parents end up running very, very, very similar patterns. Those who come from adopted families or have been adopted or who have a history of that invariably came here to override deep levels of abandonment, not being chosen, not being seen, having to survive on their own, this type of thing. There's also a time function to all of this. The time of incarnation, meaning the spark when you were conceived, was probably the optimal time for you to come into this reality and log back into this reality. Otherwise, there might have been a longer waiting period, things like that. So there was a limited pool available and you chose it. Like you chose the parents and then you chose to have the adopted parents steward you. So it's less to do really about the adoption dynamic and more to do about the patterns you came here to override that is going to help you evolve more efficiently as a soul.